Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change language on Zoom. So first thing you do is you go to the Zoom app. If you're using an app and on your PC, if you're using the app, then you can go to the online website, which is where I am right now, by typing in Zoom login, or you can just type in https zoom.us. So once you've done that, you're brought here to the home page after signing in, of course, to your credentials. And now I want to change our language on Zoom. The first thing you do is by the left here, we have some menu. We have a menu that contains some options. So we choose profile. Click on profile. So open up this menu on the right. Here you can see this is my profile. So I want to change the language. You can see language here. It's set to English. You want to change it. So right in front of it, you click on the edit button, and then you click on English, and then you see all the options. You can change it into Italian. Let's see if I can pronounce this. Espanol, Dutch. It's a Japanese or Chinese. Looks similar, Japanese or Chinese or whatever. Could be Korean too. French, Portuguese. Yep, Japanese, Chinese or Korean. Russian. This is definitely Russian. They also have all this reverse and stuff. I don't know much about languages, but I'm trying. This is Korean. I could be wrong. Then we have Italiano. We have Tingvit. Is it Vietnamese? Poliski. Turkcy. Polishki. Maybe from Poland. Turkshi from Turkey. I'm guessing here. Bahasa Indonesia. This one is to guess is from Indonesia. Netherlands. Svenska. I'm horrible at pronouncing languages, so please bear with me. I do not mean to offend anyone. Anyway, you choose any of these options, and let's say I'm still sticking to my. Should I go for Espanol? And then you tap on save. Click on save. Let's see. Okay, I do not know French. Yes, I do not know Spanish. Just Spanish, but at least it's still similar, and I'm still on the same page. Let's just go back and change it back to what I do understand, which is editor, guarda, which means change. I think. Nope, that meant save. Let's go back. Editor. Okay, let's change the language back to the one I understand, which is English. Thank you very much. And then, okay, I'm back to save grounds. I'm good back. All right. Okay, so as I was saying, that is how to change your language on Zoom. Please don't make the mistake I just made and change it to language you do not understand, because what if you actually cannot get back to where you can change your language? Let's say you change and then you go all the way back and then you're stuck. Well, let's talk about that. You can simply use Google Translate. So you're good. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's all for today. That is how to change language on Zoom. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this we put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you later, guys. Bye for now.